What's up with you guys? Today we will be doing a slime review. I legit ordered five slimes. So let's do this. Bam, you thought I left? If you flinched, then you owe me $5. Okay, so the first slime we have is the Goldy Peppermint slime. Very stretchy. You can make amazing swirls with it, roll it up into a ball. I think it has a really good poking noise. Oh, damn.
Love you too. More than Kelly does.
Really stretchy. Look, it looks like crap, but you can make it better than me. I know that. It just fell into the freaking water. It fell into the mother. Okay. That's okay. Because it's still amazing. So, if it had amazing poking noise. So now I would be going into the next slime after this. Wow. Okay. The next slime. What would it be? Bam! The next slime is a Christmas slime. And I'll show you why it's called that. Nah, I didn't really show it. Okay. This is why it's called the Christmas slime. Look at it. Also, before I start telling you guys stuff, I want you guys to leave a comment in the comment section. What is this? If you guys heard that, cool. So please leave a comment in the below. Which is your favorite slime? After I'm done with the video and after you've seen every slime. So after you've seen every slime, leave a comment. A comment in the comment section below. Tell me, which one was your favorite slime? We still have 3 more to go. Oh yeah. It's really nice, very stretchy. If you do this, if you want, you could like do this, it'll make a bubble. And then also, when you do that, when you squeeze it, it's real, like it pops and all that. So now that I introduced you to the Santa slime, Christmas, what the I'm going to now, go to the next slime. So, bam, see you guys. Bam! Okay, so the next slime, I'm gonna call this one I'm gonna call this, even though it doesn't really look like treasure, but I'm gonna call this the Blue Gold Treasure slime. This slime is really sticky, but I still love it. To make it like less sticky, just really add detergent. This one I think might have the best poking noise. And maybe the loudest too. You guys hear that? My mother. Okay. Yeah, just add detergent to it. How to make slime. In the next one, maybe I'll bring my sister in. I don't know. I might not be there tomorrow, my bros. Maybe the day after. I'm going to the pool tomorrow. So, yeah. But now, we have 2 more slimes. I think this one might be my favorite slime. I don't know. I think also mine might be the... I like all my slimes. They're so nice. You can make bubbles. Look at this. Okay, that was stupid. That was so stupid. Okay. Now let me get this off. And I put more on. Oh, okay. Stop, mother. Keep falling. So yeah, it's nice. Now, time for the next slime. One sec, bros. I will reveal the other 2 slimes tomorrow, or maybe the day after. Goodbye.